Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, and this video is going to be an advert video to our online training for you to join our online training, okay, where we give you the best knowledge of mobile troubleshooting, deep mobile troubleshooting and repair. All right, this phone came in from a technician, and the technician told me that the phone is charging but it's not increasing. It's charging but it's not increasing. Most technicians would say, oh, that is the charging IC. Oh, the charging IC is having problem, that is why it's not increasing. Oh, the downboard is bad, that's why it's not charging. Ladies and gentlemen, the charging IC is fine. The downboard or the subboard is also fine. All right, the lines that are associated with charging are also fine. And the customer also said he has tried several batteries and the phone still doesn't increase. All right, so these are the symptoms. Check it out. 0.9, look at the charger meter number 2 right there. 0.9 is showing that it's drawing current. All right, when you see this, it shows that the charging IC is fine. It shows that the charging IC is fine. There's nothing wrong with the charging IC, but still this phone would not charge. Now pay close attention how the 0.9 will drop back to 0.5. You can see right there. You see right there, 0.5. All right, 0.5. But the phone is still showing charging logo. Let me show you. Yeah, the charging logo. Now let me power on the phone so I can show you that the charging logo is not even showing when you power on the phone. The charging logo is not powering on the charging logo is not showing when you power on the phone. These are the things we are going to teach you in our online training. Okay, our online training is very educative. You are going to find the solution to this phone in our online training. All right, so let me take my time to show you the problem. Let me show you. Now look at it. Now the charger is still inserted, but there is no charging logo. You understand what I'm saying? And it's still showing 0.9, which means the phone is not increasing. It shows that it's increasing, it's charging, but it's not charging and it's not increasing. This is the new battery connector for the new Android devices. How would you troubleshoot this when it has different pins? How would you troubleshoot it? Okay, now we have the middle terminal from the top, and the one I'm pointing at right now, this middle terminal and this one right here, they are the two middle points that are connected. If you want to know what those pins signifies or what they do, please join our online training. We make exclusive explanation on this. Now taking reading on those lines, they are all reading fine. The battery terminal are all reading fine. Take a look at the charging IC over here. The charging IC is right here, and the OVP IC is next to it. Okay, this is the charging IC, is fine. The OVP IC right here is also fine. Okay, now after repairing the problem, after repairing the problem, now take a look at the difference. Take a look at the difference. If you want to know how we repair this device, please join our online training. That is where a thorough explanation is being given. And all these new Android phones are having different problems. They're having unique problems. So if you want to learn how to repair this, please come to our online training. Come and join us and learn more. Look at the amps it's drawing right now. It's drawing almost it's drawing 1.5 amps right there. That means the phone is charging properly. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Like I said, this is an advert for you to join our online training. This is just one of the things we teach you in our online training. Join our online training. The logo is showing up right now, and you need to know what we do for this phone to work. If you want to know what we did, please join our online training, and you are going to learn a lot of things. You are going to learn a lot of things. The phone is charging properly now. All right, it's charging properly now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in another video. Peace.